Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, May 31st. Let's take a look at that NASDAQ market. We had a number of economic reports that came out and we can see a little bit of a positive reaction from the NASDAQ. We're going into the weekend. I'm looking for an up day as we go into this week, and we still have additional economic reports coming out. And I'm positive on going into the week, and I'm also positive, as I have been, on these currencies. The euro finally gave us a little bit of a push to the upside. It's a step in the right direction. There are some critical parameters that we don't want to see, though, for Friday, as I mentioned in the advanced video. Here, we are looking for unchanged to higher in that market. I also had a question regarding Japanese yen. In an email. The difference here, by the way, from the bullish level to the bearish level in the Japanese yen is 210 ticks. That would be the magnitude change. And again, I'm not suggesting that you would use these numbers or get these returns, but it gives you a feel for what the magnitude of change there is. Now, what you would do is you would take 210 ticks times $12.50 per tick to give you the magnitude in terms of dollars of that change. Or in the Canadian dollar, this also traded above this bullish level. That difference between the bearish level and the bullish level in that market is 185 ticks. So that would be 185, and this is $10 per tick, so that would be $1,850. That would be the magnitude of change here. Also, if you're interested in trading in currencies, what you want to remember is that the CME group also offers microcurrencies, where the value is 1/10 the size that I've quoted you. And so instead of $12.50, it would be $1.25, or instead of $10, it would be $1 for the Canadian dollar. So it allows someone, if you have a strategy that you want to utilize for these currencies and you've researched it, this may be a way that you could utilize that with regard to this marketplace. You can also do it in metals, and there's mini contracts and energy and agricultural products. So there's a variety of ways that you can approach trading these futures markets if you have not done so in the past, but you do have a strategy set to go and you've done the proper research. Well, let's move on. Take a look at those interest rates. And the interest rates, sideways move here, nice little bounce. I think the notes look fine, but I'm looking for more of the same. I'm looking for unchanged to lower in today's action. I'm also looking for additional follow through in gold. You know, I've been talking about that for a while. I'm not bearish this market, but we need to see a level of commitment that we haven't seen yet. And this is an okay move, but there are some pieces missing yet, so we need some follow through to the upside. Crude oil is also trying to position itself to go back up, and some of the news came out can cause this market to rally. Again, fundamentally, this is not a strong market. I'm still apprehensive about it, but right now it's looking for unchanged to higher going into the weekend. But when it comes to the grains, soybeans here, sideways move, I'm looking for that to continue as we finish up Friday. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.